All right, y'all, 'tis the season of giving. So I got myself the Ole Smokey's candy cane, and I'm excited to review it. All right, step one, opening it. Not too easy. There we go. Let's see what flavors we've got. There are 5 of them. We are gonna start with white chocolate strawberry cream. Starting out hot. It definitely tastes like cream. Really creamy, actually. I'm guessing that it's going to be 20%. Yeah, I can't see it. Well, whatever. That one's okay. Excited to see what flavors are coming up, though. We've got butter pecan. Let me adjust my antlers here. It's actually pretty tasty. Again, really creamy though. Blackberry moonshine. I feel like this is one of their more classics. Glad to be moving away from cream. It's not too bad. Yeah, these are 20%. Yeah, my last exposure with Ole Smokey, those pickles kind of ruined my perception of them. But these are a lot better. We've got, there's this banana pudding cream. Again, they're really creaming you on this candy cane. Smells like banana, pretty strong. Yeah, that one's not very good. It smells more like banana than it tastes. It's just a weird, creamy something. I don't even know what's going on there. Now, apple pie. Now this one is the classic. I think this is the only one that I've had prior, I believe. Yeah, it's quite nice there. I think the apple pie, you know, the classics are always good. But I was pretty shocked and happy with this butter pecan moonshine. It doesn't say cream, but it is kind of creamy. But yeah, there you go.